Find the area of the triangle ABC given the following. Now, to be able to find the area, we need to be able to find two sides and the angle in between. So remember, in order to be able to find the area, two sides and the angle in between. So let's go and draw a quick triangle. That might be helpful. I'm just going to make a generic triangle. I know one of the angles is bigger than 90. So let me make that angle up here. It doesn't have to be exact. You can just draw any triangle you want. Any generic triangle. But in this case, this is 101 degrees. So let's go and make that C. This will be A. And this will be B. So therefore B is 8.3. This angle here is 20 degrees in 20 minutes. And this angle here is 101 in 10 minutes. So therefore you have a choice which side you want to find. So to find the area, you need two sides. So in this case, let's go and find this side and let's go and find A. It'll be the same amount of work and the angle in between. So in this case, your area will be 1/2 times AC, or side B, side C, and the sine of angle C. But first, let's go and find A. And in this case, I know the side and the angle opposite, so therefore I need this angle here. I know it's 180 minus 20 degrees in 20 minutes minus 101 degrees in 10 minutes. That gives me 58.5, which will be 58 degrees. And how many minutes? Half will be 30 minutes, right? Half an hour is 30 minutes. You have 20 and 10 is 30, and 30 more will be a full hour. So now I'm going to find A. And since I have my side and my angle opposite of it, I can use my law of sines. So that'll be A over the sine of 20 degrees in 20 minutes equal to 8.3 over the sine of 58 degrees in 30 minutes. From here, I'm going to cross multiply. So A is equal to 8.3, the sine of 20 degrees in 20 minutes, over the sine of 58 degrees in 30 minutes. And notice I did two steps at once. And we've been doing that in the classroom, so that should not be a problem. And once I type it up, I end up with 3.38. So A is equal to 3.38. I'm going to leave that to the calculator so I can get a more exact answer. So now I'm going to use my formula. Area is equal to 1/2, two sides, so I'll be 8.3 multiplied by 3.4, let's round it up to 3.4, and multiply by the sine of the angle in between, which is 101 degrees in 10 minutes. So therefore I type that into my calculator. I'm just going to use 0.5 and 8.3. I'm going to multiply by the result that I have since I left it in the calculator, and multiply by the sine of 101 degrees in 10 minutes. And that gives me 13.77. Or in this case, we're just going to round out to 13.8. That'll be feet squared. and that'll be letter B. But in this case, you do need to be able to find the missing side using the law of sines, and then we just plug into the formula. Remember, the formula are two sides and the angle in between. In this case, it's sine. Don't get confused with cosine, since we've been using the law of cosines often.